Right, so let's look at silent letters then. So, silent letters. There are lots of silent letters in English. Alright, letters that you don't say. When you say the word, you don't say that particular letter. Silent. Shh. Most words have one. Most words have a silent letter in them. The letter by itself makes a sound. So the letter, as it is, does make a sound, but in certain words it is silent. So when these letters combine together, one of them might be silent, even though in the alphabet you say a noise. There's a noise, there's a sound. So spelling can be a little hard, but when you know the patterns, the rules, very important, the rules, you can tell when the word has a silent letter in it. So the rules. When you understand the rules, when you define the patterns, you know, you can tell where and when there needs to be a silent letter in the word. It changes everything. Otherwise you're guessing. You don't know. So the rules, you have to define your terms, and then you can consistently and repeatedly recognize when a silent letter is present. How cool is that? So, the words ballet, head, crumb. So ballet, a form of dance, a Russian dance really. Head, and crumb, crumb. So the silent letters. Let's have a look. So it's ballet, the T. Ballet, not ballet. Ballet, ballet. Shh. Silent T, T. T, T. Shh. And head, A. Head, H-E-D. Head. Not he-ad, it's head. A. Ah. Ah is silent. Sh. And crumb, B. Crumb, not crumb, it's crumb. Crumb. When you're eating and things falling down. Crumb. 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 Silent B, silent A, silent T. B. B. Silent letters. Ballet, head, crumb. How cool is that? So, we want to understand the rules. Recognize which letters are silent, even though by themselves they make a noise. T, T, A, B, B, or B, B. Very good. And recognize that there are lots of silent letters, and where they are, most words have one. Yes, and recognize the patterns, the rules. How cool is that, language explorers? How cool is that? Let's keep exploring.